Here we have a 2017 17-plate BMW 435D M Sport XDRIVE GRAN Coupe. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched, unmarked and 19-inch alloy wheels with the blue brake calipers just handy behind. Now we do have the LED headlights, black kidney grills, genuine carbon fibre BMW front splitter. We also have the LED headlights. Now we do have the carbon fibre wrapped roof, blacked out styling, so you get the black window trim and also the privacy glass on the rear. And we also have the rear shark fin antenna. Now I do have front and rear parking sensors with visual display, dual exhaust flush, the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Also a power assisted rear tailgate from a touch of a button on the key, and you also have a button on the inside. Now this reveals a nice spacious size boot. We also have the cover just there as well. That's also power assisted back down again from a touch of a button. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle, especially in that Snapper Rocks colour. Now if we go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior of this car. Now as you can see, we do have the full cream Dakota leather throughout with the ISOFIX points just down there. Pull down armrest with 2 nice size cup holders. You also have your vents just in the centre, electric windows, and you also have your integrated premium Harman speakers. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now the driver's front seat is also heated electric and memory, and the passenger is also just heated and electric. Now on the doors you do get your electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, and again your integrated premium Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside the car, looking just down there, you have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, you do also have your keyless start from a touch of a button. You do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter just there as well, and paddle shift if we set the car into manual mode. Now this vehicle has done just over 41,250 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now on the right hand stalk you do have your auto wipers. Left hand side you also have your auto high beam assist. Just up there you can see we do have your heads up display, very nice addition to have. That screen just in the centre, ignore that flickering, that is just the phone, nothing to do with the screen. We have the satellite navigation, we also have your media connectivity, so you do have DAB radio. We also have USB, Bluetooth audio, CD, DVD, music collection, AM, FM, and then back to DAB. Now do you also have Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well. Back to the home screen, you have all those different settings there as well. Nothing to worry about in the notifications, that is just the low fuel light. Nothing to worry about there. Pop it into reverse. Front and rear parking sensors, as you can see just there. Now I do get different drive modes in this vehicle, so you do get Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and also Sports Plus. Coming down here, you have your dual zone climate control, works exactly how I'd expect them to. 2 heated front seats, very nice addition to have for those cold winter mornings. Onto the right of that, you do have your keyless start and also your stop-start technology. Looking down here, pushes open, 2 nice size cup holders with 12-volt connectivity, storage tray just there. Traction control on and off, as well as your drive mode select, and also your parking sensors on and off. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen. You also have a touchpad just there to zoom in and out of the map. You can also write letters on there as well. Soft touch leather armrest which moves forwards and back to suit your driving position. It also has storage and a USB connectivity underneath. There's a look at the passengers. Full leather front seat. Now both driver and passenger do have the extended thigh support. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now the purpose of this video test drive today, of course, is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how I'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not activating the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now do you have cruise control and speed limits on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. Now to activate, simply push the button at the bottom and use the dial to push up and down to find your selected speed. Push up very slightly or just by 1, push up to a little bit of a click and adjust to nearest 5 miles an hour. Now to cancel, simply just push the button again or tap the brakes and then it will then cancel. Now with the heads up display you can actually see the miles per hour that you've set the cruise control at as well. Now do you have paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode, so we're taking left at the roundabout as you would if you're test driving the vehicle today. And I'll take over using the paddle shift. So we're just coming up to the roundabout now, drop it down, and so I'll go into second, up to third, into fourth, into fifth, and then I'm going to simply just let go and let the car take it back over. Now we do have the auto wipers on the right hand stalk, and we also have your auto high beam assist, which is a button on the left hand stalk. We have your integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible, matched with the satellite navigation. So we do have the Pro Nav, we do have the satellite navigation with DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth media connectivity. We also have Bluetooth phone connectivity, visual display of front and rear parking sensors, and the list also goes on. Now the two front seats are also heated, both electric, but the driver also has the memory function. For those cold winter mornings, the heated seats really do make all the difference. Now these seats are very comfortable. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. You do have a lot of adjustable points, so you have the bolster where it brings you in and out, and also lots of other different features. Now we have the gearbox. Now I've pushed it to the left, it either goes in S or M. S being the sports function, so it revs to the rev range a lot longer and sharpens up those gear changes. And you can also push up and down. You can use that, the manual function there as well. Push back to the right hand side, it goes back into normal automatic driving mode. Now if you test drive this vehicle today, you can listen out for any knocks or bangs. If you listen out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus for buying a used car. Here at Ars Car Sales, we do offer free nationwide next day delivery, so wherever you are in the country, we can facilitate that. Whether you're north of Scotland or down in Cornwall, we do offer a free nationwide next day delivery. So right now, coming up to industrial state, we're going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop and pop it straight into reverse, just to show the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to, and you'll probably see pop up in the centre screen the visual display of the front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now. So 3, 2, 1. Hard anti-brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see popped up in the centre the front and rear parking sensors. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during these test drive and walk around videos, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer your unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me in this walk around video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.